This is my second cup. This is the best tiger nut recipe that you would ever come across. This is my second cup and I've not even refrigerated it and it's tasting this good. Wow! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll be teaching you how to make very nutritious and healthy tiger nut drink. So some people say that this tiger nut drink can serve as aphrodisiac. So it really can, because of the yummy ingredients that will be added to it. This is not your regular tiger nut drink recipe. So first and foremost, you have the tiger nuts. Yeah, you have the tiger nuts. Then you have dates. Okay, then you have coconuts. Some people don't like their tiger nuts with coconut. It's optional, but I'm using it for mine. Then the two major ingredients, one of the two major, you have the pineapple and banana. So it's usually better for you to buy your tiger nuts dry. When you buy it dry, you soak it overnight for at least 24 hours. Some people soak 48 hours, some people 72 hours, but you have to soak it more than at least for 24 hours so that it softens. What the softening does is that it will help your blender to blend it very well and get out the milk. Yeah, so I'm going to be prepping. I'll soak my tiger nuts, then I'll wash the dates, remove the seeds, and soak it in a little water, because there's a tweak to this preparation of mine which I've not seen anybody do on YouTube. So guys, wait for it. After 48 hours, this is what my tiger nut looks like. So I'm going to go in ahead and put it into the blender. Yeah, put it into the blender. So I'm putting it into the blender with some coconuts. Then I go ahead to add some water and blend. Be sure to put enough water, yeah? Remember, what I have in here is the tiger nuts and the coconut. So this is our blended tiger nuts. The next thing will be to, this is tiger nut and coconut. The next thing will be to sieve it to remove the milk. Okay, you know that tiger nut is a good, for those that are lactose intolerant, tiger nut is a good source of protein. Okay, this is thick. So what I can do at this point is to add some water. If you feel that it's too thick, you go in and add some water just to get. You can do this with a cheesecloth. I don't have a cheesecloth, so this is perfect, absolutely fine for me. You can see that there's still milk in this mix, so I am going to add some water into this. Just to get in more milk. When you extract all the milk, then guys, this is the milk. This is 1 cup of tiger nut and 1 coconut. You can see that I have a lot of milk in here. And if I show you if I still want to get more milk, let me show you guys the whatever. See, if I still want to get more milk, but I think I'm fine. Yeah. So the next thing, if you guys can remember, I said that I have a method, because in the videos that I've watched, you see people blend the dates with the tiger nuts, and I'm to myself, and I'm like, why would they have to sieve all this goodness away? So my own method, what I do is that I'll rather blend the dates separately. This is the date. I added a little water to soften it. I've removed the seed and I've washed it, added a little water to soften it. So it's going to go into this. Then you have banana. I have some bananas here and pineapple. So I'm going to add the bananas right there. This is pineapple. Yeah, so I'm going to blend it all in. I can add, instead of looking for water from elsewhere, since I have a lot of milk, I can just add some milk, the tiger nut milk, to it. This is because I have a lot. If you want to blend yours with water, fine, but in my mind I'm like, everything is liquid, so let me. And this is even actually thick. So I'm going to blend the dates, the banana and the pineapple. Banana and pineapple, some people don't use it, but trust me, it will take your tiger nut to a whole new different level. If you don't have it, you can skip it, but if you can get it, some people add ginger, but I don't want to add ginger. Yeah, so that is it. I quickly give it so I give it a quick blend. This is the blended. I've blended it. This is a mix of dates, banana and pineapple. So I'm going to quickly pour it into the tiger nut milk. Yeah, this will not only sweeten it, it would also make it thick. For those of us that like thick tiger nut, it will also make it what? Thick. So I go ahead and give it a quick stir. Guys, see this yummy goodness. Your tiger nut drink is ready. What you can do now is to add it to, what you can do now is to put it in jars or containers and refrigerate it. Remember that your tiger nut goes sour very quickly, so you don't joke with refrigerating it. Yeah, tiger nut is ready. Please, thank you so much guys for watching. Share this video with your friends. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye guys.